Right, this is one of the original PlayStation 4 controllers from the first batch that came into South Africa back in 2012. You can tell by the fact that the thumbsticks are disintegrating. I powered it up the other day for the first time in about a year, and I noticed that the up button had stopped responding, so I just stripped it down, cleaned it out and reassembled it, and I'm probably going to have to do it again when I get to some place that I can test it, but we'll see if I can bring this thing back from the dead.